I drank jasmine tea for a month and here's what happened. Jasmine tea is popular around the globe, and not only for its good taste. It has many health benefits that include improved cardiovascular health, stronger immune system, and prevention of diabetes. Some research has shown positive implications for cancer, improvement in the digestive process, and cholesterol-lowering properties. It has also been found to eliminate harmful bacteria and ease chronic inflammation. About jasmine tea is not considered a herbal tea because it is actually a normal tea, green, white, black, or oolong, flavored with jasmine flowers to create a unique scent and taste. China has a long and famed history with tea, and jasmine is one of the most popular types to emerge from this ancient nation. Jasmine tea first appeared in official records during the Song dynasty, which ended in the 13th century AD, but at that time, it was mainly reserved for royalty. It may have originally come from Persia through India, along with the cultural exportation of Buddhism to China. This tea can be made in a number of ways, of varying strengths and grades. Some are made as loose leaf teas, while others are cut up and put into tea bags. Some are rolled or bound in different shapes, like the very common jasmine pearl, usually composed of 2 tea buds and 1 tea leaf. All the types, regardless of shape, need to be scented before becoming jasmine tea. There are a number of methods involved in the scenting process, from very simple physical mixtures to complex air filtering and aroma mixing for a pure, light taste. Jasmine tea extract can also be added to beverages in order to gain the benefits without having to brew the tea. One reason why jasmine tea is so popular is due to its benefits to overall health, which come from the nutritional elements in the organic tea buds themselves. It is a wonderful means of adding uncommon antioxidants to your system, including catechins and epicatechins, which can have a wide range of beneficial effects on your body. Health benefits of jasmine tea. Along with the unique aroma and taste, jasmine tea has many beneficial qualities that help to reduce stress and cardiovascular issues and may improve the digestive system. Let's take a look at them in detail. Weight loss. Everyone is looking for the secret to reduce their weight easily and quickly. While there is no magic bullet for weight loss, jasmine green tea can be a good addition to aid in weight reduction. A 2012 study published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Review revealed that the antioxidant properties of jasmine green tea help to increase your metabolism. This increase in metabolic efficiency makes your exercise effective and helps your body to process the nutrients quicker. Faster or more efficient metabolism helps with weight loss. However, the systematic review of a number of studies concluded that green tea alone did not significantly impact weight reduction, but must be used in addition to other weight loss techniques, as a complementary element. Boosts immune system. Jasmine tea helps to protect the immune system with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. An animal study published in the Journal of Life Sciences revealed that jasmine green tea is a rich source of natural polyphenol antioxidants, including those such as epicatechin EC, epicatechin gallate, and others. The immune system is the first line of defense against all types of illnesses, so bolstering it can benefit the body in countless ways. Many forms of cancer and carcinogenic diseases can have an immunosuppressive effect, meaning that the body's overall immune system is compromised, making the body vulnerable to pathogens that complicate the treatment of cancer. Sipping jasmine tea regularly can help in strengthening the immune system and lowering the risk of such chronic diseases. Protects heart health. For those with a personal or family history of cardiovascular issues, jasmine tea can be a huge help in preventing further problems. A study in the Journal of Nutrition reveals that the catechins found in jasmine tea are a key factor in inhibiting LDL oxidation, which is when bad cholesterol in your arteries gets inflamed after being oxidized. This inflammation of the veins and arteries can lead to a heart attack or stroke. The catechins found in jasmine tea inhibit this oxidizing process, so blood pressure and cholesterol levels decrease, and long-term threats like heart diseases can be prevented. Anti-cancer potential. The fight against cancer is one of the unifying health problems around the world, so anything that may help mitigate the negative effects is always popular. A report in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that the consumption of tea, such as green teas, jasmine included, have been widely shown to have cancer-preventive properties, because they contain polyphenols, like epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG). Polyphenols like EGCG are key lines of defense against free radicals and other harmful or carcinogenic invaders in the body. Green jasmine tea has been shown to reduce the risks of breast cancer, lung cancer, and many other diseases. Besides the addition of EGCG to the system, elements of green tea also inhibit the overexpression of dangerous enzymes commonly found in cancerous tumors and cells. However, according to this research, current data is not definitive regarding green tea's role regarding cancer prevention. Larger intervention studies are needed before a recommendation for green tea consumption can be made. Manages diabetes. In the fight against diabetes, jasmine tea has shown itself to be a valuable tool. The ability to metabolize glucose is the fundamental mechanism that causes diabetic conditions. A study published in the BMC Pharmacology provides evidence that stated that drinking jasmine, green tea consumption in diabetic mice helped to reverse the negative effects that diabetes has on certain serum proteins, working as a regulator for those with diabetes, and as a preventive measure for those not diagnosed but still consuming it as a regular part of their health regimen. More research on human populations is needed to confirm these positive effects. Relieves stress. The olfactory system is often something we overlook, but it can be a very powerful sense. Studies have shown that the odor of jasmine can be very beneficial to improving mood in certain test subjects. Subjects who have a natural predilection for the smell of jasmine have a parasympathetic response to the odor, and their body releases chemicals that allow them to naturally relax or improve their mood. However, the smell of jasmine is what some call an acquired taste, and some of the studies have shown that people who don't enjoy the smell of jasmine can actually become anxious if exposed to it in high intensities. If it is a scent that appears to relax you, it's just another boon to its benefits. Prevents gastrointestinal disorders. Green tea is rich in polyphenolic compounds, with catechins as its major component. According to one study published in the European Journal of Pharmacology, catechins present in jasmine tea have positive effects on multiple areas of health, including the gastrointestinal system. They activate a number of intracellular antioxidants and interact well with the gastrointestinal enzymes to promote healthy bowel function. Thus, adding jasmine tea to your normal diet may help improve your gut function, promote better digestion, and prevention of gastrointestinal forms of cancer. Reduces pain. In holistic medicine, one of the positive effects of jasmine tea is that it is thought to help in the reduction in chronic discomfort associated with joint pain and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory nature of certain organic elements in jasmine tea may reduce minor swelling and inflammation of your joints by inhibiting unwanted cellular oxygenation. For any more serious pain and swelling, see a medical professional immediately. Antibacterial properties. Jasmine tea, which is occasionally formed by simply adding jasmine essential oil to tea buds, can provide a defense against bacterial infections. This makes jasmine tea an unexpected antibiotic that many can safely add to your diet. A study published in the Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences found that, in certain test subjects, the properties of jasmine oil can eliminate the effects of E. coli, a very dangerous bacterium commonly found in poorly preserved foods or unsanitary cooking conditions. It may also provide relief from cough, cold, and throat infections.